Students, today I will teach you the qualitative chemistry. This is the third chapter of second paper, and you learned in your previous lecture about the different solutions like molar solution, molal solution, decimolar solution, semimolar solution, etc. Now I am going to discuss about the different concentration of solution. ppm. The elaboration of ppm is parts per million. Parts per million. The dissolved part of solute in each of the 10 lakh part of solution is called parts per million. It is expressed in milligram per liter unit. Students, now if I give you a definition on the basis of this unit, I can say at constant temperature, the dissolved amount of solute in milligram unit in 1 liter solution is called ppm or parts per million. The concentration of solution can also be represented by percentage. At definite temperature, the dissolved amount of solute in gram unit in 100 centimeter cube solution is called percent concentration of solution. Students, suppose 10% sodium carbonate solution. And dear students, we can convert this percent concentration into molar concentration, and we know that molar concentration S is equal to W into 1000 divided by M into V. Here 10% sodium carbonate means 10 gram sodium carbonate is dissolved in 100 centimeter cube solution. So here we can write W is equal to 10 gram and volume is equal to 100 centimeter cubed, and molecular mass of sodium carbonate is equal to 23 into 2 plus 12 plus 16 into 3 is equal to 106. So the concentration S is equal to what? Dear students, now I can write here 10 into 1000 divided by 106 into 100 is equal to 2.5 molar. You know that molar means mole per liter. Students, I can write the concentration of solution is equal to molar concentration into molecular mass into 10 to the power x. Students, if I put the value of x here 10 to the power 3. In that case, the concentration will be ppm, I mean parts per million. If I put the value of x is equal to 10 to the power 6, then it will be the parts per billion. Students, if I put the value of x here 10 to the power 9, then it will be parts per trillion. What does it mean by 1.5 ppm of arsenic in the sample water? It means at constant temperature in 1 liter sample water 1.5 milligram of arsenic is present. That's why it is said that the concentration of arsenic in sample water is 1.5 ppm. Principle of acid-base titration. Students, all you know that acid reacts with base to produce salt and water, and this is also known as neutralization reaction. Let A mole of acid reacts with B mole of base to produce salt and water, and the volume of acid is Va and the concentration of acid is Sa. Again, the volume of base is Vb and the concentration of base is Sb. So students, I can write here mole number of acid divided by mole number of base, and already I have told you the mole number of acid is A, so I can write here A and mole number of base is B. Students, I can write here concentration of acid into volume of acid instead of mole number of acid, because we know that mole number is equal to concentration into molar volume, and mole number of base is equal to concentration of base into volume of base. A divided by B. It is noted that the volume of the solution will be in liter unit. So students, we can write here B into SA into VA is equal to A into SB into Vb. This is the principle of acid-base titration. Students, now I would like to show you an example of calculation of the concentration of acid based on acid-base titration. And it is given in the question the volume of the sodium carbonate base Vv is equal to 20 ml and the concentration of base is 0.1 molar and the concentration of hydrochloric acid is 0.5 molar and the volume of acid is equal to what? Students, according to this principle, I can write here SA into VA divided by SB into VB is equal to mole number of acid 2 divided by mole number of base 1, and I can write here VA is equal to 2SB into VB divided by SA. Then I can plug all those data. 2 into 0.1 into 20 divided by 0.5. So VA is equal to 8 ml. This is the answer. And students, this is a mathematical problem based on acid base titration, and this is also very important basic mathematical problem, and I hope all of you will study this lecture properly. And no more today. Goodbye.